Hello, if you are wondering if you can remove the Google search bar from the home screen on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s, then the answer is yes, it is possible to remove this widget. All we need to do is simply press and hold with your finger on this bar until it looks like this, and then all we need to do is simply drag it to the top left side where we have the remove button. Once we drop it over here, the widget will be removed. If you later on decide to add the search bar back to the home screen, then you can press and hold your finger on the home screen, then go to widgets, and then we need to find the search bar. So it should be somewhere over here, so we can open the Chrome widgets. And for instance, over here we have the search bar. Over here we have a shortcut, so we can use that. And I think that should be pretty much it. Oh, and of course we can also find it in Google. We have another search bar over here, and I think this is the one that we had before. So we can simply touch and hold it and then drop it somewhere. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.